Good morning students, welcome to science classes. Students, today we are going to perform an activity of class 8, chapter metals and non-metals, and the aim of activity is to show the reaction of sodium hydroxide with aluminum metal. And for this activity we require some material: aluminum metal, sodium hydroxide solution, test tube holder, stand, spatula, etc. These are the materials those are required for this activity. Now I am going to perform this activity. Watch it carefully. So students, for this activity we need aluminum metal, sodium hydroxide solution, and test tube holder, and test tube stand, a dropper and spatula. Now first of all we take freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution, approximately 5 ml, and put it into the test tube. Now we take aluminum metal with the help of the spatula and put it into the test tube. And mix it well. Now we heat it. Now take the test tube and heat it. So student, you see that when we heat it, then it reacts, aluminum react with sodium hydroxide and it forms sodium aluminate, and the bubbles those are formed and the gas is released, and that is hydrogen gas. So students, you see that when we perform this activity, then we observe, and the observation is that aluminum react with sodium hydroxide and form sodium aluminate, and the gas is released, that is hydrogen gas. And the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and that react with aluminum metal Al. It forms sodium aluminate NaAlO2, and it releases H2, that is a hydrogen gas. I hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.